This is the 2011-2017 Honda Odyssey. Before we get started, let me give a quick shout out to Mia Max Automotive for letting us use the car. They're a used car dealer here in Toronto. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now that's where the bulbs are. In order to get to it, we have to open up the lift gate and take those two screws off. That's holding the light in place. For that, you will need a PH2 screwdriver, a thick screwdriver, something that looks like this. So go ahead, get the screwdriver, and when you're taking the screws off, first push the screwdriver down, push it down, and then twist it left, so that we don't end up stripping the screws, right? So push it down, twist it left, get the screw off completely, get the other screw off as well, and now put one finger right there behind the light, second finger on the diagonal corner, and then push it to the back of the car, like straight back, and the light comes out. It'll come right out, don't worry. Now rest the light on the body, just like that. That gray bulb holder there, twist it left like quarter of a turn, like 1/4, okay? Then it will be loose. Wiggle it and the bulb holder comes right out of the light. To get the bulb off, simply grab the bulb, pull it out. It says it right there on it, 7443 or 12VW 5 watt. It's the same thing, it's 7443. Just go and get that. It's a double filament bulb. Put the bulb back in. And if you're having trouble putting it back in like this, that's okay. Take the bulb out, twist it around, and then put it back in. It's gonna click right on. That is looking good. Before we put the light back on though, let's just put it in tail light function, see if it works. Okay, the bulb's working, connection is good. Switch it off and let's put the bulb holder back in the light. It just goes in and make sure it's sitting flush. You may have to twist it around a little bit, but make sure it's sitting flush like this. It's straight, nothing sticking out. Then twist it right, 1/4 of a turn, lock it in place. That is good. It's not going anywhere. When you put the light back on, now those two holes are for the two screws and there's two alignment pins. The alignment pins go in the black holes over there, right? So first align those alignment pins in, and you have to sort of look at it when you're doing it, right? It's looking good, it's aligned. Line up the screws with the holes over there and then put the screws in, tighten them up, and let's check it out. That is good, the light's not moving and we've just replaced the bulb in under 2 minutes. Hope you found it useful.